Hi, beauties. Good morning. Let's get our bodies together, our minds prepared to just get outside and stretch. Get outside, allow and see the sunrise. Find your peaceful place. And we've been here before, so get into position. Allow the elements to encapsulate you. Give yourself a nice big hug. Love on yourself. Take a deep breath. Awaken Mother Nature. Kissing the soles of your feet to the earth. Hands out to receive. Palms down to ground. And release. On our next big inhale, we're going to scoop up all the way down. Lift up and say thank you for the day. Arms wide and back, opening up that heart, opening up that chest, those shoulder blades, and give yourself a nice big hug. Repeat that 7 times. You won't regret it.